Hello everyone, this is Coach Emmett. And right here I'm going to be showing you how to solve this particular question, which I got from WIREC 2003, question 13, an objective question. So the question says PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. If angle QPS equal to 75 degrees, what is the size of angle QRS? So first of all, let me just write my solution. All right. So seeing the cyclic quadrilateral, I'm going to be drawing my circle. I'm going to draw my circle and then my quadrilateral. Let me just put a quadrilateral here. It has four sides. So we are told that it is PQRS. So let me just start my P from here. My Q, my R, and then my S at this point. So it now says if angle QPS is equal to 75 degrees, meaning the emphasis is on P. So QPS. Now this point says actually 75 degrees. And then it now says what is the size of angle QRS? QRS. Meaning this is the part I'm looking for. I can actually call this X degrees. Now, how can we actually solve this? The thing with geometry or questions under circle geometry as a whole is that if you understand the rules, okay, or the theorem that guides it, you should be able to answer most of these questions. So in this case right now, I'm just going to apply a theorem that says that what? Opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means they add up to what? 90 degrees. So it simply means, based on that theorem, if I'm adding 75 degrees plus my x degrees, which I do not know for now, and which I'm looking for, it must be what? 180 degrees. Why? You don't solve this without stating the reasons. I know this is an objective question, but in case you saw this in a theory, you must always state the reason why. So opposite angles of cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. So I'm not going to write it in full. Let me just put sub. All right, are supplementary. So it means they sum up to 180 degrees. So this simply means the next thing I'm going to try to do is to make my x the subject of the formula by collecting like terms, okay? So it means my x is equal to 180 minus, anything that switches side from the left hand side to the right hand side, the sign must change. So here was plus before now, so it becomes minus 75.